कर्नाटक के नायब वजीर आला डीके शिव कुमार ने महादाई प्रोजेक्ट पर गोवा के वजीर आला की जानिब से दिए गए बयान की मजम्मत की। उन्होंने कहा कि गोवा के वजीर आला ने अपना जहनी तवाजुन खो चुके हैं, नहीं जानते कि किस किस्म के बैन रियासती ताल्लुकात होने चाहिए।
Goa CM has lost his mental balance because he doesn't know this is a federal structure, interstate relationship how we should have. It is not his right. It is our land. We are going to do it. Everything award has been already been given. He can't stop it. In his destiny, he doesn't have the right. I am here. When earlier itself, when I was the irrigation minister, awards had come earlier also. Now also, celebration was being taken care. I appeal to all my BJP MPs of Karnataka. It is a pride of Karnataka. I am going to start the work. Whatever the notices has been given from the Forest Ecology Department of Tamil Nadu, they doesn't have right to give any notice to Karnataka. I will start the work. Let them stop it. Let me see.
Sir, on Rahul Gandhi's statement saying that the election was stolen.
I also agree with Rahul Gandhi. Even I also have a very thorough this one. I have made a very detailed investigation on even my Bangalore rural constituency also. Lot of golmals have been done. I don't want to disclose much. I will come back later on this issue.